If you love chicken, then definitely this is the recipe for you, because I absolutely love chicken. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make oven baked chicken. It's so simple, so juicy, and very delicious. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using a couple of spices for seasoning as usual. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon thyme, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. And of course, I'm going to be also using salt for seasoning. Yeah, we need salt. My chicken is about 1.5 kgs, and I have already made the butterfly cuts on it. So I'm going to be using a paper towel to dry my chicken. So what you'll do, you just tap on your chicken with your paper towel and dry it up. This is going to give you a very crispy chicken on the outside. If you love watching my videos, please subscribe and like and share. And also, if you're new, welcome to Infoods kitchen, where the recipes are always homemade and simple. So I'm going to mix my seasoning together until well combined. If I've missed a thing or two, I have listed the ingredients in the description box down below. So to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt, then I will mix all my ingredients together. So if you think this seasoning is a lot, this is a little. We are going to cover the entire chicken with this seasoning, so it's not a lot. Also, you can minimize the amount of ingredients I'm using to your preference. Yeah, my seasoning is ready. Next, I'm going to spread my oil on my chicken, about 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using sunflower oil, so I'm going to rub into the chicken on both sides. So you also, when rubbing the oil, you make sure you watch your fingers, because the chicken usually has very sharp bones on the inside. So if you are wondering how I made my butterfly cut, what you do, you just lay your lay your chicken on the breast side, on the bottom side of your work surface or your chopping board. Then you split through the backbone. You can choose to remove the backbone, or you can just leave it in the chicken. And me, because I'm not making any chicken broth with my backbone, I chose just to leave it on my chicken. So I'm going to start on the underside of the chicken. So I'll add a little bit of our seasoning to my chicken. And rub. You need the chicken to be covered in this goodness. I'll add some more seasoning on top of the chicken. So while seasoning your chicken, you're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. So make sure to cover the entire chicken in the spices. Also, if you want a very flavorful chicken breast, you're going to add some of the marinade under the skin of the chicken breast. After handling raw chicken, you always make sure to wash your hands with soapy water. So I'm going to be baking my chicken in a cast iron pan. So I think this is just going to be okay. So what I'll do, I'll add about a tablespoon of butter in here. So I'll add my butter and then I'll spread it throughout the pan. So that is not a lot of butter because this is going to give us a very buttery chicken. Next, I'm going to carefully lift my chicken and place it on the pan. Then I'm going to tuck the chicken wings on the bottom of the chicken. Just like that. And my chicken is ready to go into the oven and I am super excited. So you're going to bake your chicken for around 45 minutes to 60 minutes. If you have a thermometer, that is the best way, but because I don't have my thermometer, I just know the right when it's ready, so I just know. So you can invest in a thermometer. I'm also going to do that, and we are going to wait for 16 minutes. I'm excited. I love chicken. It's been around 60 minutes and my chicken is ready, as you can see, and it's, oh my god, the aroma. You will definitely love this recipe if you prepare this chicken. The aroma is so good and the chicken is golden brown on top and it's crispy and buttery also. So I'm going to transfer my chicken into my plate and we can see how it looks. Definitely this is a must try. I love how you can notice the marinade on the chicken. Oh my god, I can't stop staring at this chicken. I am super excited for my first bite into this chicken. That is how I love my chicken. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you on my next one. Ciao.